Hello everyone, I'm Sajid, and in this video we are going to talk about Rstudio. Now, R is a great programming tool and is adopted by a lot of statisticians, bioinformatics, biostatistics, and all kind of disciplines that want to use programming for their computational needs. But the problem is RStudio, on the other hand, as a main IDE for R, is not kind of great anymore. We have all kind of stuff here. We have a code writer, we have a terminal, we have a global environment where we can see all kind of variable data sets. We have a GUI for file menu, plots, and all that stuff. But the main problem with RStudio is kind of slower. RStudio does not offer multiple consoles. Like if we are trying to run a code and it's taking more than 10 minutes, so we want to do something else, we can't do that. We have a single console and we cannot move on from that. And the last and the most important thing is RStudio is not integrating AI, and kind of problem here, and that everyone should consider. Now, AI is a great tool that helps us to code 10 times or 20 times faster than a user that don't use AI, right? And but here in RStudio we don't have anything like that. And for the beginners and for everyone that is just starting out our programming, I would highly recommend them to stop using RStudio. Instead of that, start using Vscode. Now, why we are using Vscode? We have a GitHub Copilot here. In GitHub Copilot, we can use all kind of different models from chat to AI agents, and that's kind of great. And it makes hell a lot of difference here. Apart from that, we have multiple terminals. We can just run a code here, and if we want to run something else, we can just move on to the next terminal. And that's a great addition if we look at the RStudio. Apart from that, it's so lightweight. It's faster than our studio in any kind of way. We did a kind of benchmark here, and let's see what we got. And we did a benchmarking, like we did different kind of computations on both RStudio and VS Code to see the performance difference. Now, if we first started off with matrix multiplication, and in matrix multiplication, RStudio almost took 22 seconds, sorry, 0.22 seconds. On the other hand, VS Code is taking 0.19 seconds, and this is kind of significant difference. After that, we perform statistical tests like regression, and we are getting we sorry the RStudio is taking 0.06 seconds, and but the VS Code is taking 0.05 seconds. So we are seeing a difference on every single step here. The last test of data manipulation, and here we are getting 0.03 seconds, and in VS Code we are getting 0.029 seconds. And this is not as much difference, but it will become a significant difference when you are working on a code that takes almost 3 to 4 hours for running. All you need to do is just download and install the VS Code, go to the extension menu, and here you have to search R. Now you will see multiple R extensions here, but just pick the one with the more downloads.